We're the best with the very complex machining. Many companies, our competitors, have to do multiple operations, where we really strive to drop it complete off one operation. You get a better part, way better quality. Our CPKs are through the roof. Hello, I'm Wade Halseth from Northwest Swiss-Matic, and we specialize in precision machine solutions. We have Swiss CNC machining capabilities. We have Escomatic wire and bar feed. We also have Acme Multiple Spindles and full grinding in-house, plunge grinding, centerless grinding. We also do a small amount of milling, all under one roof. Our niche is really in stainless steel, 5-axis, even 7-axis machining. We have brand new Citizen machines on the floor. We have many different parts, something like this where we will drop it complete. All the splines, the threading, the cross drilling. We make this on a machine called a Eurotech. 7-axis machining, has all the capabilities. Again, we drop it complete. All the ID work, recessing, cross drill, threading. It's a very precision part. It's an aerospace part, and it's flight critical. This one happens to be aluminum anodized, but we really do specialize in the stainless steels, titaniums, even phenolics will do. Usually it's round bar stock, something like this. Can we machine it complete in one operation, all the threads? Tolerances are extremely tight because we have grinding in-house that are total tolerance of 40 millionths. We have several of those. That's total tolerance. We typically are the medium to long run. However, we do have customers that order 1 to 10 pieces to millions of pieces. Not prototype, but medium to long run. This one is a difficult part just because we have to subcontract this. And after we machine it complete, it goes to a subcontract heat treat, and then comes back and we grind all these lands. And it becomes difficult because you have to know how much it's going to grow in heat treat, how it's going to move. We do grind it after heat treat to hold these micro finishes. They're, a 10 micro, an 8 micro. These lands are critical for this part. We help OEMs reduce cost by suggesting how they should change their design. We have about 50,000 square feet, 70 employees. Not only USA, but we also will ship overseas. We're proud to make and manufacture right here in the United States. More and more jobs are coming back from overseas to us, and we're re-looking at them. I think oftentimes shipping costs you more than it would if you just bought it here in the United States. We look for better quality, a longer functioning part, and that's really what we look for. One thing that sets Northwest Swiss-Matic apart is that we use a program management style approach, our diverse machining capabilities, and the fact that we're an AS 9100 certified company. I'm Wade, and I'm here for you. Give Northwest Swiss-Matic a call.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.